Greetings, everybody, and welcome to my channel, The Healthy Voice. My name is Bella. I'm a trauma-informed voice teacher with over 2 decades of teaching experience and over 3 decades of singing experience. So today I'm answering your questions, and if you have a question for me, please put it in the comments below, and I will do my best to make a video of it in the future. I made a course recently called the Voice Liberation Method. It's 7 weeks of over an hour's worth of content in each week. So over 8 hours of content that provides classical vocal techniques, relaxation, and massage routines to help you break up the tension that's causing your voice to be tight and blocked, guided visualizations for each week, chakra toning exercises for each chakra, as well as PDF guides with tons of information meant to empower you with lots of knowledge and lots of resources to help you free your voice so that you can learn how to speak and sing with ease and ultimately become comfortable with the true you. So today's question is, how do I release jaw tension that's affecting my voice? This is a great question. A lot of you have reached out to me about jaw tension and wanting to know how you can let it go because you're very aware that it's affecting your voice. And so let's talk about what causes jaw tension to begin with. Let's think about what might cause you to tense up your jaw. Let's think of a scenario. Maybe you have a boss who's really difficult, and this boss is always getting on to you about things, but this boss controls your paycheck. And so what do you do every time this boss criticizes you? You clamp down. You're trying to hold back a very real desire to lash out or at least just speak your mind. But you know that if you speak your mind, you may get in trouble and that could threaten your livelihood. And so instead you clamp down, you tighten that jaw, you tighten your tongue, you bite down in your cheeks. And what happens is, let's say you work in this job for 4 years, 7 years. Even 1 year is going to cause chronic tension to get stuck in this part of your face, these two sides of your face. We have this muscle that goes from the cheek to the jaw. It's about this thick, and it's what operates the chewing mechanism and the speaking mechanism. And so jaw tension is going to cause difficulties with your voice. So let me show you a few things you can do to help relax. First thing I want you to do is stretch out your face like this. You may have immediately noticed tension in your face that you didn't even realize was there. And it probably felt pretty good to do that stretch a few times. You may have also noticed that your shoulders are a bit tight. You have to remember that all of this is connected. And so the muscle in your back connects to your neck muscles connect to your jaw. So let's go ahead and roll the shoulders back. Feel that stretch. Feel the muscles that are working, and maybe you'll even notice how it connects to your throat and your neck. And now let's do that face stretch again and see if you can notice the feeling right here on the side of your neck. And so now you're starting to realize that this muscle here connects to your jaw, connects to your shoulders. And so any tension in your shoulders is going to affect your jaw. So you can do this stretch in the face, you can do the shoulder rolls, and I also recommend gentle neck circles. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the chin down. We're going to lean over to one shoulder, keeping your shoulders down, and we're going to gently look up at the ceiling, go to the other shoulder, and drop down again. We'll do this incorporating the inhale one way, exhale the other way. Let's do this again. We'll switch directions. Notice where it feels good. Notice where it feels tight. Hmm. Another exercise I love to do, which isn't necessarily connected to the jaw, but it is a trauma. It is a tension release exercise, which is so important for relaxing the jaw. And it's the audible sigh, where we take a deep breath in, we sigh out with sound. And as you do that exhale, try to keep your tongue down as if you're doing a yawn or as if you have a mouth full of marbles, a mouth full of marbles. So the tongue is down. And as you sound out on the exhale, feel the vibrations going deep into your chest, pushing down any tension in your upper torso. Let's do it again. Let's do that one more time. We'll keep the chin elevated. Now let's go ahead and stretch out the face one more time. And then we can do a massage where we put our fingers on the jawline and we press in and up towards the cheekbones. Use the whole hand all the way up to the cheekbones and release. And we'll incorporate our breathing. We'll inhale up and we'll exhale as we reset. And keep your jaw nice and slack. Ah, inhale and exhale. Ooh, that made me almost yawn. So if you do yawn, that's a good thing. That means that you're releasing stuck energy. It means you're opening up your throat, and it's a good thing. So now go ahead and open up your jaw and just go, ah. Drop your tongue. Ah. Ah. Feel the vibrations. Feel the vibrations going down your throat. Feel them in your face. And we'll do one more massage exercise. We're going to put our fingers on our cheekbones and we're going to keep the jaw slack as we press and shake. We're vibrating the muscles here manually. This is a massage technique. You can do this anywhere on your body. It's good for releasing facial tension. And we'll make our way down slightly under the cheekbones now. Ah, make some sound. Ah, fingers come down to the teeth. Ah, down a little bit more. Ah, and down to the chin. Ah, ah. Work your way around the mouth. Continue to make sound. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, switch directions. Ah, ah, ah. Good. So hopefully you feel a little bit more relaxed in your jaw, and you might want to even sing a little bit. Find a song that you love, or just make ahs or hums, make some sounds, and see what happens to your voice. So if that helped you, I hope that you'll subscribe, like, or consider taking my Voice Liberation Method course or consider joining my Healthy Voice community. We meet every week. We do live practice sessions together. Each month has a different theme. As I'm recording this, the current theme is resonance. Next month in March, the theme is vocal control. That should be a really good one. That's one of the hardest things for people. And we do all kinds of things in there. We have yoga for singers. We have practice sessions. We do songwriting, sound healing, and we even do courage circles once a month where you have a chance to practice using your voice in front of everybody. It's great for building courage, building strength, building resilience, and fighting that perfectionism demon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you did. And as always, I want you to keep going because the world needs your unique voice. See you in the next video.